We can concentrate on things in daily life more deeply than we usually tend to. We can hyper-focus on things. Let's say this cushion as an example. It has a texture. I can concentrate on this cushion, just looking at the texture, feeling the softness, how it smooshes, feeling it in my hand, seeing it with my eyes, hearing the sound that it makes when I flick it. I want you to take one thing in your immediate surroundings, something preferably that has texture or something interesting like light, and just really concentrate on it for 3 to 5 minutes. It should not be electronics. It should not be something with words in it, like a magazine or a book, that will take your thoughts into the words. It should be just some physical object that you can just focus on for the next 3 to 5 minutes. Try this exercise now, focusing on a physical object. I think you'll find that it's actually very nice to focus on something for some short period of time. And don't forget to write about your experience in the comments. I'll try to respond as much as I can if you have questions or comments, and try to respond to your fellow students as well. Now, pick out an object, concentrate on it for the next 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll see you in the next one.